Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn data analytics from scratch. First, begin by grasping foundational concepts like data types, descriptive statistics, and inferential statistics. Next, master spreadsheet software such as Microsoft Excel or Google Sheets, which are essential for initial data organization and analysis. Simultaneously, learn SQL to query and manage data in relational databases. These initial steps provide a solid base for your analytical journey, setting you up for more complex tasks ahead. Moving forward, acquire proficiency in a programming language like Python or R, which are industry standards for data manipulation and analysis. Leverage powerful libraries such as Pandas and NumPy in Python for efficient data handling. Then, learn to create compelling data visualizations using tools like Tableau or Power BI. These tools help transform raw data into understandable insights, making your findings accessible and impactful to any audience. This combination of skills is crucial. Next, delve into more advanced concepts, including statistical modeling and the basics of machine learning. The most effective way to solidify your learning is by working on real-world data projects. Aim to complete at least 3 to 5 diverse projects to build a robust portfolio. Collaborating with peers can also provide new perspectives and enhance your problem-solving skills. Always seek constructive feedback to refine your analytical methods and presentation techniques. Finally, data analytics is an evolving field, so continuous learning is paramount. Regularly stay updated with new tools, techniques, and industry trends. Actively network with professionals in the data analytics community to expand your knowledge and opportunities. Consider obtaining relevant certifications to validate your expertise and enhance your resume. Begin applying for entry-level data analyst positions to gain invaluable practical experience and kickstart your career journey. Good luck!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.